Dia balas lagi, tadi waktu gue di stasiun kenapa gue nggak bid untuk ambil job itu. Gue balas lagi karena gue nggak mau, emang gue nggak mau guys.
Take me mum shopping, and I said, look, he's not signalling, so he must be coming straight forward. And he did, and he turned in
Ya,
front of me, and he's going, woman driver.
ini pas lagi sibuk, office malah nanya gue, lo di kemana aja? Karena gue kasih info guys. Gue masa bodoh guys, lagi kesel gue. So ya ujung-ujungnya nih, kalau emang gue harus cabut ya gue cabut gitu. Banyak perusahaan lain nih kok. Alright guys, welcome back guys. Welcome back. Um, nggak ada niat sih sebenarnya ini mau. Speaking of which guys, just got a job. But look at this job, like haystack guys, ini area ya. Dan ini job paling 5 pound guys. So hari ini kan jam 2 nih, mau jam 2 10 menit lagi. So dari gue baru cek nih ya, dari jam 11 guys, ini mau jam 2, 3 jam ya. Ini job gue yang kelima nih ya, job gue yang kelima, 3 jam guys. Tadi ada, jadi waktu gue dapet job ke stasiun Benfleet Station guys, setelah gue selesai job itu, ada job di Benfleet guys, dan gue nggak bid untuk job itu karena gue nggak mau. Benfleet itu udah di, ya di sebelah ya istilahnya, kalau lihat di peta guys, ini Canvey Island ya di sini. Dan gue emang niat gue balik lagi ke Canvey Island, dan emang gue balik lagi. Gue pikir kalau itu job bakal dikasih ke gue akan lakuin gitu loh, karena gue udah di stasiunnya kan, tinggal naik aja ke atas Benfleet. Cuma nggak dikasih ke gue. Setelah itu ya udah gue balik ke Third Avenue Canvey Islands. Gue di situ ada 10 menitan guys. Akhirnya job itu dikasih ke gue juga, dan gue komplain dong ya. Gue send text ke office untuk cancel nih job. Dia balas di aplikasi, tanya kenapa. Gue balas teks nih, gue kasih lihat ke kalian nih, gue screenshot teksnya. Gue bilang, dan waktu ya di Third Avenue gue urutan 2 ya, jadi otomatis biasanya kalau mau dikasih urutan yang ke-1 lah yang dikasih kan. Gue bilang lah, harusnya kasih ke yang clear one ya kan, urutan 1. Dia balas, gue yang paling dekat dan dikasihnya ke gue. Nah dia ngomong paling dekat, gue balas lagi, tadi gue di stasiun, kenapa baru sekarang ya kan. Dia balas lagi, tadi waktu gue di stasiun kenapa gue nggak bid untuk ambil job itu. Gue balas lagi karena gue nggak mau, emang gue nggak mau guys. Ya udah setelah itu ya ujung-ujungnya sih diambil lagi jobnya, dan gue di nunggu di Third Avenue itu, walaupun urutan 1. Akhirnya gue pindah ke pusat kota guys. Di situ pun gue nunggu lagi lama guys, baru dikasih job. Makanya sekarang gue berasa nih ya, gue lagi sedikit emosi nih. Gue berasa gue lagi dihukum aja guys, gue lagi dihukum aja. Ini satu yang gue gak suka nih ya. Siapapun dia nih yang lagi tugas, siapapun dia lagi tugas, umumnya mereka tuh selalu bawa ke pribadi gitu loh, take it personally, you know. And ya, kenapa nggak, you know, be professional gitu loh. Kerja ya, gue udah ada hak dong. Waktu itu gue pernah guys, gue tolak sampai, makanya nih beda orang, beda apa reaksi ya. Jadi waktu itu gue di ban guys, dia ancam gue, dia bakal ban, matiin aplikasi gue untuk 1 jam. Ujung-ujungnya sih ya dia ban gue, ego gue tinggi juga guys. Soalnya alasan gue kuat lah untuk itu. Cuma untuk ini ya, karena kita lagi ngebahas soal ini, ya itu guys. Gue lagi kesel aja nih, asli 3 jam. Ini jam gue yang kelima. Udah, temanku malah tadi si Chris, gue telepon dia ketawain gue. Walaupun ya dia nggak ada maksud gitu tuh ini gue, cuma ya itulah. Dia ini udah jauh untuk pemasukan ya. Kita biasanya mulai waktu sama-sama gitu. Dia tuh udah jauh di atas gue lah pemasukannya. Gue tuh yang kayak gue mau lihat nih mana apa. Makanya kayak ini pun gitu loh, gue tetap dikasih jab gitu loh. Cuma ya karena ini dia tahu ya kan, cuma 5 pound jab, ya dikasih lah ke gue ya kan. Ini waktu dimana gue benci aja sama ini kerjaan. Itu dia. Kau pulang lagi, ntar lagi. Kalau begini-begini percuma. Hello. Watch your head. Good.
Thank you. Yeah. What, do you know where you're going?
Yeah, dentist awkward.
Yes.
Right.
So I haven't got a guide. I keep getting a new cabbie, and he says, "Where am I going?" And show me where to
New
go.
drivers. There are a few new drivers.
That's it. Yeah.
So yeah, unfortunately, there one I know that coming all the way from London.
Oh right. Oh, it's close today, isn't it? Don't know if we're going to have any rain today or what.
Can't complain really.
No. I just don't like the heat.
It's too much.
Yeah. Yeah, I can't go out in it. If I get too hot, my nose bleeds.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I make too much blood apparently.
Oh, same with my wife.
Yeah? Yeah. I used to be a blood donor, but now I've got high blood pressure. They don't want me blood.
Yeah.
It's quiet, isn't it? And the kids packed up from school.
Not yet, 3 o'clock. Next week. Sorry.
Oh, next week.
They're only gonna.
For the summer holidays.
Some already breaking up.
Yeah.
But yeah,
If you always know when the streets are quiet, it's because the kids are not at school.
Yeah, they don't do it at the same time, but some's already breaking up. But yeah, next week definitely.
Yeah.
for next week.
You going away?
No, I just love when the road is nice and quiet.
Yeah.
It's not gonna be so busy for us,
No.
but still, you know.
I'm going shopping Friday this week, so
Alright.
so I'll be phoning for a cab again Friday. I have to space my days out. I have to have a day of doing something and a day of not
Day
doing
off,
so
yeah.
much because of my hip.
Yeah. See, this black Mercedes is new.
Oh,
And is-
right, yeah. One of them, when he picked me up the other week, I said, can you drop me outside the building society? He said, no, I'm not allowed to, because I haven't done the knowledge. I said, well, the others do. He said, no, I'm not allowed to.
Yeah, with the private hire.
Well, no, I phoned Steve's.
Yeah.
So I thought all Steve's cabbies could drop me off where I want.
No, not really.
Oh,
Only like, because we have two different beds basically. The one with the Hackney, yeah, that's what pretty much anywhere.
oh right.
But like the one private hire, like me, even I can't even wait in the taxi rank. Yeah.
Right. Right, how much do you want?
Hey, it's 480, please.
If you take 7.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. A tenner. Yeah. All right. Seems like everyone taking my coins today.
I think that's my dentist just pulled up, so
All right. Good timing then.
yeah.
There you go.
So I'm not late.
Yeah.
Cool, thank you very much. I might see you on the way back.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you.
Oh guys, so ini ke dentist ya. Pas banget dentisnya. Baru sampai. Dan dia langsung bilang kalau gue mau tunggu, dia langsung bakal kasih masuk nih ibu-ibu ini. Cuma pas meternya udah gue matiin lagi. Cuma nggak apa-apa sih, gue lagi kesel juga sama office. Udah, so gue mau nunggu sini aja guys. Gue mau nunggu dia aja, walaupun cuma 5 pound, nggak sampai 5 malah tadi cuma 4 pound 80 ya kalau nggak salah. Cuma dikasih gue 7 pound. So ya, balik ini ya harusnya 7 pound lagi ya. Kalaupun enggak 5 pound nggak apa-apa. So ini gue urutan ketiga nih sekarang ya. Kalau ini cepet ke 1/2, 2/1, gue bakal pause aja. Nih gue kasih lihat nih sekalian guys, dari jam 11 nih, 11.06 guys. Ini semua ini cuma small job nih guys. Nih 1, setelah itu setengah jam kemudian ya 20 menit kemudian ini ke stasiun. Nah yang di sini guys, yang gue ke stasiun ini guys, habis itu apa, dia mau kirim gue ke Benfleet guys, dan gue nolak. Dan kalian lihat guys, 11.25 guys, 12.25 guys, 1 jam kemudian baru gue dikasih job guys. Gue nunggu nih di pusat kota nih. Oh tunggu, bukan ini guys. Ini sebelumnya, jadi 1 jam gue nunggu. Kejadiannya itu yang ini yang gue tolak nih. Benfleet 2 nih. Ini yang gue tolak. Baru itu gue kasih. Jadi ini pun udah jam berapa nih? Mau jam 1 ya. Dari mau jam 1 ini jam 2 lewat. Gue cuma dapat 2 job nih guys. Ini pun dua-duanya small job. So ya. Gokil ya. Gokil. Para nggak bisa kerja gitu profesional aja. Makanya gue lagi ya ujung-ujungnya nih kalau parah-parahnya ya gue bakal coba ngomong ke bos gue. Cuma kalaupun karena gini loh, kasus begini kan udah pernah kejadian guys sama temen gue. Akhirnya dia pindah guys. Dia nolak. Dia waktu itu dapat job bandara guys. Biasa office ya, mereka akan kirim kita tuh istilahnya jauh sebelum waktunya lah. Ya gue ngerti gitu loh soal itu ya kan. Cuma kita yang drive, kita yang bakal ngejalanin jobnya, kita tahu lah. Kita selalu cek gitu kan, apa bakal macet apa enggak, ya gitu-gitu lah. And ya, waktu itu temen gue bilang ini terlalu cepet nih kalau dia mau jalan sekarang ya kan. Akhirnya itulah ribut guys, maksudnya bukan ribut, argument, and then dia sampai ngomong sama bos Steve. Karena hari itu juga dia bilang ke gue 5 jam kalau saya gitu deh. Malah dia nggak dapet job satupun. Gila nggak? Asli gila. Gue waktu itu geleng-geleng kepala aja. Cuma nih ya kayak gue ngalamin nih, maka ujung-ujungnya ya guys. Karena emang susah kan kalau lo mau pikir jalan ke depannya. Setiap kali nih gue nggak tahu nih siapa nih orangnya nih. Kalau setiap kali dia kerja dan gue bakal diginiin, ya ngapain gitu loh. Mereka jalanin shift 6 jam guys. So dalam 6 jam, kalau gue cuma mau dapet job tiap 1 jam, ngapain ya kan? Ya memang gue cabut lah. So ya ujung-ujungnya nih kalau emang gue harus cabut ya gue cabut gitu. Banyak perusahaan lain nih kok. Sebelum ini pun udah ada godaan gitu loh untuk pindah di kota yang emang gue tinggal, South End, kerja di sana. Emang duitnya sih lebih banyak dari sana, lebih rame aja karena ya kota gede. Ini kan kota kecil banget. Berarti ya kita lihat nanti gimana ya perkembangannya nih. Gue mau lihat setelah ini nih ya, ke depannya. Kalau emang begini maksudnya sepi-sepi aja buat gue terutama, ya gue bakal cabut aja. Gue malah gak bakal pusing ambil pusing ngomong sama bos gue itu. Berarti ya we'll see lah guys, we'll see gimana perkembangannya. Baik guys, sampai sini aja dulu gue sambil nunggu nih ibu-ibu ini. Cuma mau ngedumel aja guys. Tadi gue udah ngelepasin ke teman gue Chris. Kalau game musik emang enak dilepas ya kan. So yeah, thanks again for watching guys. And yeah, oke, itu dentisnya udah kasih tahu dia udah selesai. Oke deh, gue lanjutin aja kali ini ya. Dia udah selesai. Right guys.
I'll give you extra money.
Ah, no, it's alright, it's fine.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you very much.
No, that's alright.
Well, I didn't ask you to wait because normally they see you about half hour after your appointment.
Yeah, I know,
That was a bit of a shock. Oh. Always end up with a toothache time she's paraded around.
yeah. So it's just a checkup.
Yeah, no,
Ah,
January is my next one.
wow. Next year. People don't want to give their indicate, and then when
No,
they
they
do,
don't, do they?
they
never do.
want us to guess, and then
Yeah.
they just want to hit me.
Yeah, that's what happened to me once. I'd take my mum shopping and I said, look, he's not signalling, so he must be coming straight forward. And he didn't. He turned
Yeah.
in front of me and he's going, woman driver. I said, well, mate, it was you.
That's the thing, even like they're the one that's still giving you a bad look
Oh, yeah. That's
all the
immediate.
time.
Yeah, immediately they say, woman driver.
Like never like their fault.
You didn't put your thing on.
No, I know, because I already switch it off when I drop you,
Yeah,
you know.
don't worry.
No, that's why I just leave it.
Don't worry, I'll look after you, don't worry. I can relax now. Because I thought, what if I'm late? Because it said, they don't mind keeping you sitting there waiting half hour after your time.
Yeah.
But it says on the thing, if you're late, you get fined.
But yeah, so it's really nice.
Yeah. Oh, that was nice. She's a nice lady, that one.
That's it for today then. I stay indoor now.
Yeah, that's me lot today. I done washing yesterday.
Nice.
That's it. That's me lot today. Thank you very much.
Oh,
That's it. Thank you. There you go. And I don't want any change.
oh, thank you so much. Sure,
Very
I feel
nice of you
bad.
to wait for me.
No, I'm just doing my job, you know.
That was very nice of you. I was a bit embarrassed when she said, "Can you wait?" I thought, "Oh, he's gonna like that, isn't he?"
No, it's alright, it's alright. But thank you, I appreciate that.
That's all right. Buy the kids some sweets. I'll be glad to see the back of that, I'll tell you.
There you go.
Thank you. I'll have to walk around
Front,
that
yeah,
way.
yeah.
It's the pavement. Thank you very
Well,
much.
thank you again, thank you.
That's all right, you're very welcome. I'll see you next
Yeah, have a lovely day.
time. Thank you.
Okay. Gue mau ngomong dari tadi cuma takut didengar guys. Guys, namanya berkat guys, nggak akan kemana-mana walaupun gue nggak dikasih jab gitu loh. Kalau emang udah rezeki guys, udah dikasih 10 pound guys. Ini video belum gue matiin ya, jadi total gue ini jab, kalau gue cek nih ya, gue dapet ini jab jam 13.49 49.50 lah. Ini jam 2:17, kurang lebih 27 menit guys. 27 menit gue dapet ini 10, tadi 7 pound 17 pound guys. 17 pound itu guys, sebelumnya gue dapet berapa jab itu, cuma sekitar 20-an kali, you know. So ya, gue udah tahu sih tadi, udah waktu dia naik lagi dibilang don't worry, you know, I look after you, you know. Gue udah tahu bakal dikasih tip gede. Masih 5 pound itu gede guys, trust me guys, kalian yang udah ngikutin gue udah lama ya. Karena di sini guys budaya bukan ngetip ya, lu dikasih tip deh syukur alhamdulillah gitu. 20-40 p itu udah umumnya orang ngasih satu, cuma banyak guys, banyak tuh yang nggak ngasih ya kan. Jadi untuk lu dapat 5 pound tip guys, ini gue dari dia total guys, tipnya itu 5 tadi 7 pound 20 sen, gila kan. So ya makasih aja lah. Makasih. Nah ini sekarang gue udah urutan pertama nih, harusnya sih nggak lama lagi nih dapet jab, but well, we'll see kan. Gue mau nunggu sini aja nih. Alright guys, terlihat udah cukup lama nih video, cuma itu intinya sih gue mau ngedumel nih dulu. Kecewa dan ya kita lihat nanti gimana update-nya. Kalian pasti tahu lah gimana jadinya nanti. Cuma kalau udah ya gini, kerja kayak gini, sebelum ini pun gitu, kita semua tahu tuh udah kayak rahasia umum gitu loh. Siapa sekarang lagi di office ya kan, dia pasti ada yang dikenal istilahnya favorite driver lah ya kan. Jadi job yang bagus dikasih lah ya kan, kayak kenalan dia lah ya apalah, itu udah rahasia umum guys. Nah kita apalagi yang mau dibilang imigran ya gitulah. Cuma selama ini sih gue percaya kayak ini lah, gue bilang namanya berkat ya, lo mau halangin bagaimanapun juga, kalau emang itu akan mau saya jatah gue, berkat gue itu gak akan kemana-mana ya. Dengan kejadian ini juga mungkin emang udah waktunya untuk gue pindah kali ya. We'll see. Gue sih bakal tanya teman-teman gue nih, gue bakal telepon ntar temen gue udah kerja di Southend, ada beberapa guys ya, gue bakal tanya gimana ya udahlah, udah kepanjangan guys. Cuma intinya sih gue lagi kesel hari ini, gue kerjaan gak, pemasukan gak bagus-bagus banget karena itu insiden itu. But ya kita lihat lah perkembangan selanjutnya gimana.
Yeah, 2004.
Right. Now I'm gonna pay you on my card. What is it showing?
£750.50. Right, I'm running, Dale, yeah, before she tells you
Right,
you ain't got no
Dale,
money, right?
Good to see you, hey.
Do £40, my friend. That's just to say thank you.
Thank you so much,
All
thank you,
right, because
appreciate
you've
it.
been really good. So 40, yeah.
Appreciate that, thank you so much.
Just
thank
make sure that's gone through.
you. Good luck, hopefully it will work.
You know what, Dale? That's a bloody mission.
Yeah, it's all good, thank you.
You alright,
Listen, I'm getting out that way,
Yeah,
because
come
I
out
am
this way,
not
man.
coming
Yeah,
out
come
this
out this way.
way.
The
I'm
way's
telling
gone
you
through your
now.
profile.
Right, I've got my phone. I'm going to
Yeah.
test the barrier now. I haven't left
Right.
anything. Dale, thank you so
No
much.
worries.
You have a
All
lovely
the best.
day.
Yeah, you too.
No
Mate,
problem, yeah?
good to see you, mate.
Catch up, boss,
Yeah.
man.
You
Just
take
like
care.
that.
See you later. Bye.
Take care, Dale. Bye, mate.
Bye,
Bye.
bye. Wah guys, sore ini lanjutannya lagi nih guys. Jadi tadi abis gue selesai dengan itu job guys, ibu-ibu tadi, gue dapet ini job guys. Ini jam 3:26. Gue dapet ini job guys, kurang lebih 1 jam lebih guys. Argo jalan terus guys, ujung-ujungnya tuh 32-20 guys, dan gue kasih tip guys, total 40 pound lah. Jadi yang ngasih tip gue paling gede untuk hari ini guys. So gue mau lanjut aja guys, ngomongin soal berkat ya. Walaupun hari ini gue dengan insiden yang terjadi itu, gue bilang tadi kan, mau namanya berkat gue gak akan kemana-mana guys. Dan barusan nih gue 1 jam guys, 40 pound guys. Oh boy, oh boy. So ya, ada ini pas lagi sibuk, office malah nanya gue, lo di kemana aja? Karena gue kasih info guys. Gue masa bodoh guys, lagi kesel, gue masih kesel. Langsung dikasih job guys. So ya guys, itu aja, gue mau update aja guys. Mau namanya rezeki guys, berkat gak akan kemana-mana. Alright, see you all later guys.
Perfect shit, mate. Try to do card, yeah?
Card, yeah.
Do you want to do it as, would you want to do it as 36 or something?
Oh,
Because I'm
Yes.
work paying, so
thank you so much man,
Throw a
thank you,
five on it.
appreciate that.
that's all right.
There you go. You need a receipt?
If that's all right, yeah.
You want to fill it yourself or?
Yeah, no, that's all right. Go on, you just,
Alright,
that's all right. Do it as you want.
16.
They just kind of accept whatever.
Yeah,
Dangerous, really.
can fit.
Put a few zeros on the end.
I'll let you put the number,
Okay,
but it's
mate.
up to you, mate.
That's perfect. All right, mate. Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. Did it all go through? Yeah, the tap.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it all goes through, mate. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Alright guys, sorry, lanjut lagi nih, gue sambung lagi. Ini ketiga kalinya nih gue mau istilahnya saying goodbye guys. Cuma gue mau tekankan aja sih guys. Tadi gue bilang dari awal, waktu awal-awal gue ngedumel itu, gue bilang namanya berkat itu guys, kalau emang deh jatahnya gue gak akan kemana-mana. Dan gue baru aja nih selesai, baru aja gue lock off nih guys, udah lock off. Gue mau pulang nih. Jadi job, my last job guys, gue dapet job dari Canvey ke ini South End guys, dan ini tempat asli cuma 2 menit dari gue tinggal rumah gue. Jadi istilahnya pulang nih kan, dapat duit lagi. Dan lebih-lebih lagi guys, tadi tuh cuma pas banget 31 pound pas. Dan dia bilang udah kasih aja 36, jadi gue kasih tip 5 pound lagi guys. 36 pound guys, gue sambil jalan pulang. Asli, betul-betul ya itu lagi guys, udah namanya berkat gue guys, nggak akan kemana-mana. So yeah, I'm very grateful guys, very grateful. So in the end guys, istilahnya happy ending lah ya, walaupun ya iya orang kantor ada sedikit masalah guys, dan semua ini job yang gue dapat, yang ya kayak ini dapat tip, dan sebelumnya yang 40 pound itu semuanya, kalau kalian yang udah lama ngikutin gue tau lah IVR job ya. Nah IVR job itu guys, gue cuma tahu dimana gue akan jemput pelanggan gue. Nah dia mau kemana-mana itu gue nggak tahu. Jadi gue rasa kalau yang di office ini tahu ini bakal kemana, nggak tahu, ini gue berpikiran jelek, cuma gue yakin aja nggak akan dikasih ke gue guys. But yeah, again guys, in the end it's happy ending. So ya gue sangat bersyukur guys. Alright, dan ini betul-betul gue bakal out, saying goodbye guys. Thanks again guys buat support ya, buat kalian semua. Tetap semangat guys, namanya berkat gak akan kemana-mana guys. So yeah, don't forget guys to like, share and subscribe, and then yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, bye.